If you're a mom over 40 and you've been wondering, is it too late for me to start something of my own? I want you to know you're not behind, you're not too old, and you haven't missed your chance. I created this video for the moms who have spent years giving everything to their families and now find themselves feeling a little lost, exhausted, and maybe wondering what's next. If that's you, I'm so glad you're here. This might be the first step towards something that fits your life, simply and without tech stress or hustle culture. I'm Lori. I'm a 52-year-old married mom of 4, now an empty nester. And for a long time after the kids grew up and moved out, I felt stuck, like I wanted to contribute financially and find purpose again, but everything I tried left me more exhausted than before. I tried print on demand, I published books, I took freelance writing jobs, I ran a wellness blog, and although I loved creating and running small businesses, these things took more time and energy than I had to give, especially while managing a chronic illness in everyday life. I started to feel like there was no space for me anymore, no space to dream, no space to breathe, but deep down, I still hoped there had to be a better way. If you've been exploring side hustles too, you've probably seen the same things I did. Build a personal brand, go viral, work 8 to 12 hours a day, be on every platform, learn funnels in tech and cold messaging, set up your website, and on and on. And I thought, I just don't want to do that anymore. Trading my time for dollars. I didn't want to chase strangers in my DMs or feel salesy. I didn't want to spend hours away from my family. I didn't want another thing that made me feel like I wasn't enough. Most of all, I didn't want to pretend to be someone I wasn't. Everything shifted when I found a side hustle that didn't ask me to be more. It asked me to be me. I discovered a simple system that's teaching me how to earn online in just 2 hours a day. It comes with a ready-to-use website, done-for-you emails, resale rights to digital products, step-by-step training that's perfect for complete beginners, and a beautiful community of over 50,000 people, many of them moms and dads and grandparents, just like you and me. And for the first time in a long time, I didn't feel behind. I felt hopeful. This business doesn't require you to be tech savvy. You don't have to go live or even show your face unless you want to. You can build your business quietly and consistently from your couch, in your favorite hoodie, with coffee in hand, and your heart at peace. You learn as you go, and you grow at your own pace. You're not rushing, you're not faking it, you're simply sharing your story and letting your life help someone else. That's the kind of business I wanted, and it's exactly what I found. At this age, we carry so much: personal growth, wisdom, grief, and questions. This season of life is sacred. We want to contribute, but we don't want to burn out. We want purpose, but we don't want pressure. We want to help our families, but we also want to feel like ourselves again. This side hustle honors that. It gives you permission to build something beautiful without guilt, without urgency, and without pretending. It fits you, not the other way around. I want you to know something from one mom to another. You are still allowed to dream. You are still allowed to grow. And you are still incredibly needed. This isn't just about making money online. It's about rediscovering your voice, your time, your purpose, and remembering that you were made for more. If this spoke to you and your heart is whispering, maybe this is the thing, I'd love to invite you to take the first step. Go to mydailypayway.com and grab the free Freedom Blueprint. It's the exact system I'm learning right now, and it's helping so many moms build something sustainable without pressure or overwhelm. And I'd love for you to have it too. Leave me a comment and tell me what's on your heart. What's been holding you back? What would freedom look like in this season of your life? I read and respond to every comment. And if this encouraged you, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday to help moms over 40 build honest online income that fits your real life. Thanks for being here. You've got this, and I'm cheering for you every step of the way.